Good evening. This is Ravindra Phatak. Today I am going to speak about COVID-19, which is worldwide. It's a pandemic. So, what is my opinion and what world is thinking about it? World is thinking about it. It is like it is an infectious, contagious diseases, and to overcome that diseases, world is locked down. Our world has got 780 billion people, and till now, nearly 45 lakhs people are infected. Nearly 17.5 lakh people recovered without a specific medicine or vaccination. About 3 lakhs people died in this pandemic, and this is the statistic of pandemic. So, before going into detail, we must know the history. See, bacteria and viruses on this earth for last 3 billion years. Trees came to this earth from last 67 million years. Animals came to this earth for last 57 million years. And we, human being, evolved from monkey for last 2.5 million years. We evolved as Homo erectus. Now, at present, what we are, that is called Homo sapien. We are Homo sapien for last 0.5 million years. And we are in the farming business for last 10,000 years. So viruses and bacteria came to this earth way before us. So that they are not new to us. We are new to this. So no virus has come newly in us to create a disease. What they called is a disease, it is actually not a disease. For that, I will give you one example. If we eat 1 kg of food in a day, and after the digestion, whatever nutrition we can absorb, if you absorb all the nutrition and remaining 500 which is remain, is our biological law decide how to excrete that 500 gram material from our body, and the path of that excretion is to through our stool and through our urine. So this is the biological arrangement to excrete what is not required or what is excess in our body as a toxin or as a debris. Similarly, on cellular level, if the tolerance of your cellular level is exceeded with toxicity, then cell has to excrete, and by which this toxin level is increasing. It is increasing because of new type of pollution, new type of EMF, that electromagnetic radiation, new type of vaccination, and new type of many things which even I don't know. And those all affect on our cells, and when the toxicity level of our cell increases than the tolerance, then cell excretes, and from that excretion what is coming out is virus and exosomes. These virus and exosomes are not infection, they are messengers. They are messengers to the other cells, and they are giving message to the other living being in the world that something new happening, and for that our body is unable to withstand, and for that you make certain adaptable change, or if required some evolutionary change to accommodate that. So that is the message to whole world, and this not necessary just by touching anyone it will happen. Without touching also, this message will go all over the world, and everyone will get this message of new thing. So what type of new pollution at present? At present there are new pollution like many metals are coming as a pollution in the air, as well as the new type of pollution which you never thought, that is a new biodiesel, which is in Europe and America mostly they are using biodiesel. In that biodiesel they are using corn and sugarcane to make the biodiesel. On that sugarcane and on that corn, they are spraying pesticides like glyphosate, and glyphosate which after the spraying it is coming in that crop, and when you make a fuel out of that, some stresses are in that fuel. When you burn the fuel, that is a new type of pollution for which your body is very new. Similarly, now the 5G radiation. This pandemic started in Wuhan. Wuhan is the first city in the world which is covered by 5G. And that 5G radiation, at present what you are using in 3G and 4G, that is in megahertz, 700, 800 megahertz. When it comes to 5G, it will be 3 gigahertz to 30 gigahertz. The frequency is more, and it's a new type. Some people will say, we don't have 5G, how it will happen to us? No, anything which is new. If 5G is new for you, it will happen because of 5G. If 4G is new for you, it may happen because of 4G. The effects will not be the similar, but it is happening because of the new type of radiation, new type of pollution, and new type of vaccination. In vaccination, majorly they are using in the vaccine material aluminum. Aluminum is very toxic to our body. When you inject that vaccination in your body, it is a toxin, so immediately antibodies form in the body, and that aluminum metal in your body, if you are taking so many vaccines, that metal is act as an antenna, and whatever the electromagnetic field which receive in your body in a loud manner, in a what you call the effect is more because it acts as an antenna. So this new type of radiation will occur in your cellular level, and that will excrete. So don't bother about that. It is your biological mechanism to tell the people, tell the other species, tell the